Hi, ran out of memory card again. All right, so we were on video book 3 session 4 and we were almost finishing. We were practicing high frequency words and what you had to do was to read the words back to me. We stopped at this word, okay? We stop at this word. What word is this? My. Very good. Now let's see. What word is this? On. What word is this? Yo. What word is this? See. What word is this? Go. What word is this? What. What word is this? To. What word is this? Up. What word is this? You. And the last words are, what word is this? We. What word is this? Are. Okay, now comes the last activity where we try to write these special words, okay? So you will need paper, pencil, and a rubber. Mamá y papá, esta actividad no es obligatoria, pero sí sería interesante ver si ya recuerdan algunos sonidos, si ya recuerdan alguna palabra, si son capaces de escribirlas, ¿ok? Alright, so let's go with them. I will say the word and you will try to write it, okay? Alright, let's see. Here we go. Oops. The first word is we. 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 This is the word that you have to write. There you go. The next word is yo. 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 There you go. The next word is ah. Ah. There you go. The next word is my. My. There you go. The next word is and. And. There you go. The next word is like. Can you write like? There you go. The next word is can. Can. There you go. The next word is. Is. There you go. The next word is on. On. There you go. The next word is am. Am. There you go. The next word is have. Have. There you go. The next word is what. What. There you go. The next word is do. Do. There you go. The next word is a. A. There you go. The next word is I. I. There you go. The next word is see. See. There you go. The next word is you. You. There you go. The next word is the. The. There you go. The next word is in. In. There you go. The next word is it. It. There you go. The next word is this. This. There you go. The next word is that. That. There you go. The next word is to. To. There you go. The next word is go. Go. There you go. The next word is up. Up. There you go. All right. If you have got some correct, you will get a happy face. So, mommy, daddy, si han conseguido por lo menos 5 palabritas correctas. Les vamos a poner un happy face, una carita sonriente. Okay, and we are finished with book 3 session 5, and we have a last session which is book 3 session 6 later on. Okay, bye bye.